And I do think that there's a problem that if you're hacking 100% of your time, you run out of ideas. For me, at least, hacking is a form of art. It is almost a sport. It's something creative. And if you do this all the time, eventually you will get tired of it. And you will, at least for me, I will lose my inspiration. So that is why for me, it's at least important to still do other stuff to get your inspiration from. For some people, this is doing sports. For other people, it is maybe rather than doing pen testing all the time, also having one day for research or a day where you do something completely different. Maybe a hackathon where you try to change the company or meet people in areas where you haven't really explored. For example, sales. Lots of pen testers absolutely don't want to deal with the clients, but if you get the experience, please do try it, because you learn a lot from just talking to clients. Whenever I arrive at live hacking event, the first thing I do is to talk to the client and ask them, where would you look for a vulnerability? I would say 9 out of 10, in the exact area that they point to, I do find a vulnerability. They know their systems better than I do.